Right, I'm just going to use these Jardin De France long-handled loppers to cut this piece of chestnut. It's about 30 to 40 millimeters in diameter. So I'm right-handed, so I've got the very sharp cutting blade here on this side, and the anvil-y bit which it cuts onto that side, and this is where the spring and everything for the ratchet is in here. So if you're right-handed, if you do it like this with these two, these are the bits that you can extend the arms with. If you have them uppermost, then all you do is you just literally push these mouth of this cutting right in as far as you can to the branch, and then just simply push down with your right hand, in this case, against your left hand. Wait for it to push it hard, as hard as you can without cutting through, and then relax, pull your right hand back up, listen for that click, push down again, then lift it back up till it clicks again, then push it again, and we're nearly through, and then click again, and that's pretty good. Nearly killed the camera. Well, might have killed some of it. So anyway, that's an action shot. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it the thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and then we can continue to help Acorns Childrens Hospice Worcester and Mind. Thank you for the 300,000 views that we've had so far, and you'll be pleased to hear that no one was injured during the filming of this bitten piece. Let's have a go here with a little stumpy end here. Look, ready? So go in as hard as you can, like that. Click, push down with your right hand, as I'm right-handed, down, click, down, click. So that's the key to it. Push it in as hard as you can, push down, release the right hand handle if you're right-handed, and then wait for the click, then push down again, lift the right handed handle away, and wait for that click again. You've got a very nice clean cut, as you can see there at the end of the loppers. And then if you want longer loppers, you just very easily extend them, so that's very easy to do, and then it does make it a lot easier to get more power on to the ratchet when you're cutting thicker pieces of wood. So I'm going to try and drop this without hopefully killing the camera too much. So in as hard as you can. Oh gosh, got those nice and secure now. In as hard as you can. Back, click, and again, and it's now going to be timber. Hurrah! And the camera survived. But of course, if you're left-handed and your predominant hand is your left hand, then you do the same but in reverse, and just use your left hand to push up, wait for the click, and again, and you can see the cutting blade hopefully pushing through there, just like a knife through butter. Really, really good. I've been using these for, I don't know, probably 15-20 years now, commercially, and they've always been very, very good, very sharp. Just keep your fingers out of the way.